The proverb, "the grass is always greener on the other side," speaks to a universal truth about human nature. It suggests that we often perceive other people's situations as better than our own, leading to feelings of envy or dissatisfaction. This saying has roots in various cultures and has been around for centuries, but its essence remains the same. We tend to overlook the challenges and imperfections in our own lives while idealizing what others have. Historically, this proverb can be traced back to the 16th century, with variations appearing in literature and folklore. It reflects a common theme in human behavior, our tendency to compare ourselves to others. The grass, representing our lives, appears lush and vibrant when viewed from a distance, while we might not see the weeds and thorns that come with it. Consider the classic example of social media. We scroll through our feeds, seeing friends on exotic vacations, celebrating milestones, or showcasing their perfect homes. It's easy to think, wow, their life is so much better than mine. But what we often forget is that these snapshots are curated. Behind the scenes, they might be dealing with their own struggles, insecurities, or hardships. Another example can be found in the workplace. You might envy a colleague who seems to have a more exciting job or a better salary. However, you may not realize that they're working longer hours, facing immense pressure, or dealing with a toxic work environment. The allure of their situation can blind us to the reality of their experiences. In relationships, this proverb rings true as well. You might look at a couple who appears perfect together and think, I wish I had that. Yet every relationship has its challenges. The couple you admire may be facing issues you're unaware of, just as your own relationship has its unique strengths and weaknesses. To help remember this proverb, think of a simple trick. Visualize a fence separating 2 yards. On one side, you see vibrant grass, while on the other, it looks patchy and dull. But if you were to step over that fence, you might find that the lush grass is just a facade, hiding its own set of problems. This imagery can serve as a reminder that what we perceive isn't always the reality. Ultimately, this proverb encourages us to appreciate our own lives and recognize that everyone has their struggles. Instead of longing for what others have, we should focus on nurturing our own grass, making it greener in our unique way. Embracing gratitude for what we have can transform our perspective and lead to a more fulfilling life.